Hello students, let us start the part 7 of the topics integration, where we take some examples of some special integration in rational form, especially which are in radical form. In the part 6 we have already discussed the formulae of some special integration. So let us see first example of the integration, that is dx divided by a square minus x square whole to the power 3 by 2. So this is in the form of a square minus x square. So we have to take, let x is equal to a sin theta. So dx is equal to a cos theta d theta. Now we have to place in the place of x, that is a sin theta, and in the place of dx, that is a cos theta d theta. That is the substitution method. So the integral value of this one is dx, that is a square minus a square sin square theta whole to the power 3 by 2. Now in the place of dx we can adjust or we can shift this quantity, that is a cos theta d theta. So this will be your a cos theta divided by, this is a q cos q theta d theta. So this is 1 by a square sec square theta d theta. Hence, the integral value of this one is 1 by a square tan theta plus c. Now, this theta can be replaced by the value of x, that is from here, this is theta should be equal to sin inverse x by a. So this a will be shifted x by a and theta is your sin inverse x by a. So the integral value should be 1 by a square tan that is your sin inverse x by a plus c. So in this way this type of questions can be solved. So now let us take some examples of some special integration from the formulae, that is dx x square by a square, that is 1 by a tan inverse x plus c, or 1 by x square minus a square dx, this is 1 by 2a log x minus a x plus a plus c, and whatever the formula we have discussed in part 6 of the channel. So let us take one more example, that is the integration of the function. Example number 2, evaluate the integration of the function dx divided by x square minus 4x plus 3, that is x square minus 4x plus 3. So dear students, this type of formula can be break in the form of a plus b whole square, that is this one can be brought as dx x square minus 2 into 2x plus 4 plus 3 minus 4. Now this becomes your, this is your I is equal to dx x minus 2 whole square minus 1 whole square. Now this questions comes in the form of, that is this one dx x square minus a square. It should be 1 by 2a log x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. just you observe what is the value of x and what is the value of a. So this x should be, this is x minus 2 and a should be 1. So from this formula, the integral value is 1 by 2 log x minus 2 minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So the integral value is 1 by 2 log, this is x minus 3 divided by x minus 1 plus c. So this is the integral value according to this formula. Now similarly, if this question is given, that is in the form of, that is example number 3, evaluate the integral value of dx x square minus 4x plus 3 whole root. Now this formula, this question comes from this one, that is dx divided by root over x square minus a square. So this is your log x plus root under x square minus a square plus c. So according to this one can be break into dx by root over x minus this 2 whole square minus 1. So the integral value of this question is, that is I is equal to log, in the place of x you put x minus 2 and in the place of this one you can put all of this quantity, that is x square minus 4x plus 3 plus c. So in this way this type of questions can be evaluated. In the same way, when same question is asked like this, that is example number 4. Suppose the question is asked like this, that is x square minus 4x plus 3 dx. Now this question can be evaluated through the formula, that is root over x square, here this is minus a square dx, this is 1 by 2 x root over x square minus a square log x plus root over x square minus a square plus c. So this formula can be used in finding the integration of such type of questions. So again this can be converted as this is integration of x minus 2 whole square minus 1 square. So in the place of a this is 1 and in the place of x this is x minus 2 whole square. So the answer should be written as, that is 1 by 2 x minus 2 root over, again you write this one, that is x square minus 4x plus 3 minus 1 square, that is 1 square into log x minus 2 plus root over x square minus 4x plus 3 plus c. So this is the answer of the question. Now sometime we asked to find out the integration of the function in this way. This is a square x square plus b square. Now if you locate or if you look all the formulas of some special integration, the coefficient of x is either 1 or either minus 1. So this should be cleared by 1 or minus 1. So every time this a cannot be remain with the coefficient of x square. So here there should be either minus 1 or plus 1. So what we take? We take 1 by a square as common. This should be written as x square plus b by a the whole square. Hence the answer of the question. This answer, the integral value of this one, it should be your, this is 1 by a square is remaining here. So 1 by b by a tan inverse x divided by b by a plus c. Now see, the answer should be ab tan inverse x a divided by b plus c. So this is the integral value of this question. So dear students, always remember the formulae, the coefficients of x square, the constant value, all things should be in your brain. Now let us take one more example, that is example number, I think this is 6, that is evaluate the integral value of dx 7 minus 6x plus 3. 7 minus 6x minus x square. So this can be written as minus dx x square plus 6x minus 7. Again we have to break this one as in the form of a square 2 into 3 into x plus 9 minus 7 minus 9. This is dx, this is one is x plus 3 whole square minus 16. Therefore we can write this is in the form of dx, that is 4 square minus x plus 3 whole square. Now see, this is in the form of the formula, that is a square minus x square. This is sin inverse x by a plus c. Hence the integral value should be sin inverse, in the place of x this is x plus 3, and in the place of a this is 4 plus c. Now that is example number 7. If this question is in the form of this way, so this should be here, this can be written as minus root over integration. Since the negative of the root over is I, that is iota, that is in complex number, so we cannot bring out this minus as common of whole of the integration. So similarly, so this one can be written as, that is I is equal to dx divided by, this is 4 square minus x plus 3 whole square. So what should be the formula? We see here this one, oh sorry, one thing I have committed mistake here. The formula of dx a square minus x square is 1 by 2a log a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. I am very sorry that I have written in the place of this one sin inverse this one. So the value of this one, this for this question, look down, this question should be your 1 by 2 into 4 log, that is 4 plus x plus 3 divided by 4 minus x plus 3 plus c. I am very sorry, sometimes such type of mistake can be done through us also. So you must calculate this one. This is 1 by 8 and this is x plus 7. This should be x plus 7 and this is your 1 minus x, 1 minus x. So this is the answer for this question when root over is not there. Here this formula, when root over is there, then the value is your sine inverse x by a plus c. So according to this one, the answer of this integral value, this one, that is example number 7, ये जो है इसकी तरह दिख रही है. इसका मतलब है कि इसका जो आंसर होगा साइन इनवर्स इन द प्लेस ऑफ x, दिस इज x plus 3, so this is x plus 3 divided by 4 plus c. इसका ख्याल रखोगे, कभी कभी ये मिस्टेक हम लोग से भी हो जाती है, और ये मिस्टेक होना नहीं चाहिए. फॉर्मूला आपके ब्रेन में हर समय रहना चाहिए, कहीं स्लिप ना हो जाए. अब यही क्वेश्चन को अगर कोई इस तरह से पूछ रहा है, मान लीजिए ये सेम क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड इन द वे दैट इज इवैल्यूएट दिस वन, दैट इज 7 minus 6x minus x square dx. So this can be written as your 4 square minus x plus 3 whole square dx. So what should be the answer of this question? इसको आप रिजर्व कीजिए और इसका जो आंसर होगा 1/2 x की जगह होगा x plus 3, और इसको फिर से लिखेंगे 7 minus 6x minus x square प्लस a की जगह होगा 4, that is 4 square sin inverse x plus 3 by 4 plus c. तो इसका जो आंसर होगा, दिस इज योर 1/2 x plus 3, this is root over 7 minus 6x plus minus x square plus 16 sin inverse x plus 3 divided by 4 plus c. So in this way these questions are evaluated in सम स्पेशल इंटीग्रेशन. चलिए एक और टेक्निक हम लोग इसी सिलसिले में चेक कर लेते हैं कि अगर इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आ जाए तो उसे हम लोग किस तरह से सॉर्ट आउट करेंगे. तो चलिए पहले उसको देख लिया जाए फिर से. इफ द फंक्शन, द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ द फंक्शन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ px plus q divided by ax square plus bx plus c dx, or px plus q divided by root under ax square plus bx plus c, or integration of ax square plus bx plus c dx. इस तरह का क्वेश्चन को बनाने के लिए हम कौन सा विधि को अपनाते हैं. तो यहाँ पर वी ऑलवेज टेक px plus q as a into dy derivative of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. This where a and b are constant or any real number. So let us take one example, example number 8 I think. So evaluate the integration of the function in the form of, this is 3x plus 2 divided by x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. So this question is same as we see here. इसके साथ इसको मिलाओगे तो इसकी वैल्यू आपको समझ में आ जाएगी. तो पहले इसको हम लोग मिटा लिया जाए. चलिए अब हम लोग इसके हिसाब से अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस वी टेक 3x plus 2 is equal to a derivative of x square plus 6x plus 5 plus b, where a and b are constant. So this is 3x plus 2 is equal to a, derivative of x square, this is 2x plus 6 plus b. So this is equation 1. Now you can break this one as 3x plus 2, 2ax plus 6a plus b. So just you compare, the coefficient of x is 3, the coefficient of x is 2a. So in the place of 2a, this should be 3, and in the place of 6a plus b, this should be 2. Hence the value of a is 3 by 2, and the value of b, that is 6a, that is 3 by 2 plus b is equal to 2. So this is 3. So b is equal to 9, 2, that is minus 7. Therefore, you just place this one as 3 by 2 and place this one as minus 7 here in the question. Therefore, the integral value, यहाँ देखिए, so I can be written as here equation number 1. तो क्या था, मैंने मिटा दिया वो 3x plus 2, this is a, derivative of this one, this is 2x plus 6 plus b. ठीक है, so in the place of a you place 3 by 2, so this is 3 by 2, 2x plus 6. In the place of b this is minus 7. अब इसकी हमको जरूरत नहीं है. So now this divided by x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. इसको इस तरह से बनाने का क्या मतलब है, हम एक फॉर्मूला पढ़े थे, that is derivative of function divided by the function, this is equal to log fx plus c. इसके फॉर्म में लाने के लिए, क्योंकि इसका डेरिवेटिव यहाँ रहना चाहिए. अगर यही क्वेश्चन ऐसा होता है 2x plus 6, तब तो इसका डेरिवेटिव है हो ही जाता. जैसे मान लीजिए क्वेश्चन ऐसा रहता 2x plus 6 divided by x square plus 6x plus 5 dx, तब तो डायरेक्ट हम लोग लिख लेते हैं log x square plus 6x plus 5 plus c. लेकिन इसके जगह पे यहाँ है 3x plus 2, इसीलिए हमको उस रूप से आना पड़ा ताकि इसका डेरिवेटिव यहाँ पर मिल जाए. सो इसको आप लिख सकते हैं 3 by 2, 2x plus 6 divided by x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. देखिए ये चीज हम लोग को यहाँ मिल गया, एंड minus 7 इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dx. दिस इज योर, फिर से अगर इसको आप ब्रेक करोगे तो x plus 3 का होल स्क्वायर होगा plus 9 minus 9, दिस इज minus 4. So minus 4, 5 minus 9, that is minus 4. So the integral value is what? 3 by 2 log x square plus 6x plus 5 minus 7. This is 1 by 2 into 2. इसको आप 2 स्क्वायर लिख सकते हो. log x plus 3 minus 2 x plus 3 plus 2. So this I is equal to 3 by 2 log x square plus 6x plus 5, और यहाँ हो गया आपका minus 7 by 4 log x plus 1 x plus 5 plus c. देखिए क्वेश्चन जब भी हम बनाते हैं तो पैसेंस रखना पड़ता है. कभी कभी यहाँ पर भी जब हम सॉर्ट आउट करते हैं तो प्लस के जगह माइनस आ जाता है, अगर ऐसा कहीं पर आपको दिख जाए तो इसको आप इग्नोर करेंगे और अपने लेवल से उसको ठीक करेंगे। चलिए अब इसी क्वेश्चन को अगर कोई इस तरह से पूछे 3x + 2 x² + 6x + 5 √dx, तो भी हम इसी तरह से चलेंगे। उसमें डिफरेंस क्या हो जाएगा, उसमें डिफरेंस होगा कि ये यहाँ पर आपको रूट मिलेगा, यहाँ पर आपको रूट मिल जाएगा। रूट मिलने की वजह से, क्योंकि इसका डेरिवेटिव ये हो गया, अब आपको पता है कि डेरिवेटिव ऑफ fx होल टू द पावर n dx, दिस इज व्हाट, fx 1 - n डिवाइडेड बाय 1 - n प्लस c। तो यहाँ पर जो n का वैल्यू है दैट इज योर माइनस या 1/2। सो ये हो जाएगा आपका x² + 6x + 5, दिस इज 1 - 1/2 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 - 1/2, इसका इंटीग्रल वैल्यू हुआ। एंड -7, चूंकि ये रूट है, हो जाएगा log x + 3 प्लस x² + 6x + 5 + c। तो यहाँ से जब आप इसको ब्रेक करोगे तो इसको ब्रेक करने का मतलब हुआ कि यहाँ पर ये हो जाएगा 1/2, 2 कैंसिल होगा, सो दिस इज 3, अगेन दिस इज 1/2, सो x² + 6x + 5 -7 log x + 3 प्लस x² + 6x + 5 plus c. So this is the answer for this question. इस क्वेश्चन को इस तरह से भी पूछा जा सकता है, 3x + 2 x² + 6x + 5 dx। तो इस जब ये ऐसे आ गया तो ये क्वेश्चन इस तरह से फिर से लिखाएगा, ये दैट इज व्हाट, √3/2 2x + 6, this one x² + 6x + 5 -7, इस तरह से हम लोग इसको लिखेंगे। तो प्यारे बच्चों, ये रहा आपका सम स्पेशल इंटीग्रेशन का कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स। इसको आप समझने का कोशिश कीजिए कि किस क्वेश्चन को किस तरह से हम ब्रेक करते हैं और उसका सॉल्यूशन हम किस तरह से निकालते हैं। अगला जो पार्ट 8 होगा, दैट शुड बी द मेथड, अनदर मेथड, दैट इज इंटीग्रेशन बाय यूजिंग पार्शियल फ्रैक्शनल मेथड। इसके बाद हम ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के 4-5 मेथड्स लेंगे, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के क्वेश्चन को किस तरह से बनाया जाता है। अभी कम से कम और 3 पार्ट इंटीग्रेशन के बनेंगे, और मेन और एडवांस के लिए ये चैनल अभी मैंने डेवलप नहीं की है। इसके बाद जो चैनल मैं डेवलप करूँगा वो CBSE के क्वेश्चन को कैरी करेगा, जो इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस होंगे CBSE के, जो आपके फ़ायदे में होगा, और तब हम IIT और JEE मेन की ओर बढ़ेंगे। तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद।